Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm coming on today with another Christmas DIY for you guys. Yes, I am. But first, I wanted to share with you guys my new planner that I got. It's a Clever FAUX planner. And here's the packaging that it came with. You know, I used to do my weekly planners on my channel a long time ago, and then I stopped doing that, but I never stopped using a planner. You guys, absolutely not. Planner is very good for you to have. Keep yourself in order, and you know, put on your goals, the things that you have to do. So I have more than one. I have one as a personal planner, and I have one for my YouTube stuff. Yes, I jot down everything, you guys, and keep it in order. So I got a Clever FAUX planner, so I'm going to share that with you guys quickly. And this is how it comes. And it's really neat, the Clever FAUX planner. Okay, they have little cards in there, and a thank you card for making the purchase with them, which is very nice. You get an extra 15% off if you want to order again. They have these instructions here for you to help you how to set up your planner, which is really neat, you guys. Look at that. You know, like if you're a first-time user to a planner, they give you little ideas on what to do. They give you some stickers too, some planning stickers. And here's the planner, you guys. OMG. Let me open this quickly and share it with you guys. Now it is a 1-year planner, and it's an undated 1-year planner, which I love. I don't like when they come with the dates already. I rather date them myself, you know, because who knows if I don't get around to using it, and then I can use it again. Yeah. But anyways, and I got it in the blue, sky blue, and it's very neat. It has your daily routines, my gratitude, self-awareness, you know, these little sections that you can write things on, things that you focus on, my mind map, and then we get into our monthly dated sheets, which is a lot. Then we get into our weekly dated sheet, so you can write down what you want and you write the dates, you know, and make your little things, put yourself together, which is really neat. And then it comes with the little dividers here. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. So if you didn't finish something, didn't accomplish something, and you're gonna get back to it later, just put the divider to where it is, and then when you're ready, oh yeah, open it, and you're right back at where you left off. So like I said, it's the Clever FAUX 1-year undated planner. Yeah, you guys should get one for yourself. I'm going to leave a link below to where you can go to the site and look at these planners and get one for yourself, you guys. It's very convenient. It's very good to have a planner in your daily routine. Yes. All right, everyone, let's get into this Christmas DIY that I have for you guys. All right, let's get started.
Moco Productions.
Alright everyone, here's all the items that we'll be using for today's Christmas DIY, and they will be listed down below in the description box so you guys can see everything that we used and where we got them from. Alright, we have these 2 square foam flower foams. Yeah, they're from the Dollar Tree. We have these and we'll be gluing them together with the hot glue. And now we'll be taking our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and we're gonna wrap our box that we made going all the way around. And now we're just going to add a piece to the top. I won't be putting a piece at the bottom, just around the sides and the top of the box. And now we're going to make our bow, you guys. I have this from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to glue the ends together. I just cut a length, any length you want to how big you want your bow to be. And then I'm just going to squinch it in the middle and use some of our Bling wrap to go around the bow to hold it together in place. And now we're just going to glue it to the top of our box. And I like how that looked, but I think I'm going to add another piece to the bow. So I'm just going to cut another small piece. And then just cut the two sides. And then we're just going to glue it together. There, now I think our bow looks much better like this. And I'm going to use one of the gems from Totally Dazzled and add to our bow. And I'm going to use this gem here and place on the front of our box to bling out our gift box. And I'm also going to make another one of these gift box with the rose gold bling wrap. Yeah, I'm going to make another one. Now for the Christmas tree I'll be making, I have this here and I have the Christmas balls that I got from Dollar Tree. Now this little stand here, I'm recycling it, you guys. Yep, I have it from last year Christmas. It had oh gosh, what do you call that little shiny stuff going around? Anyways, it had Christmas decor. It was a tree from last year that I got, so I took it off this year and I'm adding these Christmas balls to it to give it a nicer touch. You know, just recycling some stuff that you have throughout your home. I forgot to mention that I painted the Christmas tree stand white. It was green and I just gave it one coat of white paint. And I had the large balls on the bottom, and now I'm going to start putting some medium Christmas balls going around the tree, going up a bit.
Loco Productions.
And now I'll be placing some small balls. Continue going right up to the top with the small, very small Christmas balls. And I got all these Christmas ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they look very nice. Very nice decor for the Christmas season this year. I love how the box turned out, the gift box, all blinged out with my gems from Totally Dazzled. As you all know, they're my favorite gems. I love working with them. But I think they just give the box just a nice touch. And my little Christmas tree, you guys. OMG! I'm in love again with the bow with the blinged out gems and all the ornaments mixed together on the tree. I absolutely love it. And you know, everyone, if you like the gems from Totally Dazzled, I have a link in my description box so you can go over and check out the site and see what gems that she has to offer. They're absolutely beautiful. And our next gift box over here in the rose gold. I think it looks absolutely lovely. All blinged out with the rose gold gems also. And the mesh rose gold bling wrap. I think it looks so cute. And the bow on top, I did it the same as I did the silver bow that's on the tree and on the gift box, the silver gift box. Again with my tree, you guys, I absolutely love it. Now I'm not putting up a big tree this year, so I absolutely love this. I thought, what can I do to give myself a little tree for Christmas, because I'm not putting up my big tree. No, you guys, I'm not. So I thought of this, and I think it works out perfect. You know, it's very nice. Nice for anyone who's like me, who's not putting up a tree this year, you know, and you just want to have something around your home to represent the Christmas. I think this is a lovely idea. And I love the bling boxes also. The gift boxes, I think they look absolutely nice. Alright, you guys, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my Christmas tree and my blinged out gift boxes. Give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I love to share with you guys. Alright everyone, once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY for today, my Christmas DIY for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.